Wendy.Le.Genius, you know. What body take over? Give thanks to the Most High. Yeah, yeah. Every struggle in life martyrs, no matter how it comes through, yeah. All the simple favors come with a price tag, a price tag. For the shortest time they will last, but every situation ain't permanent. That's all I know deep in my heart. In my heart. life's a struggle, oh yeah, thanks to the Most High. Even though this life's a gumbo, oh yeah, thanks to the Most High. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks, oh yeah. Keep on pushing harder. Don't you look back, nana. Don't you look back, nana. And everything you do, remember He knows. He knows, yeah. He promised you will be waiting just to deliver in. Just to deliver in. Keep on falling, you gotta get up, yeah. Eyes on the prize, yeah. Keep running, yeah. Thanks to the Most High. Jah will never leave you stumble, oh yeah. Thanks to the Most High. Even when
If you need to see more on food, music, beauty, fashion, DIY, flying, and so much more, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that every single time we're going to be making an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and we will see you on the next one. Peace!